Hey y'all, hope y'all doing good. I'm doing pretty good myself. Uh, I tried doing this video beforehand, didn't work quite out, so we're gonna try it again. What we're attempting to do today is install the automatic oiler in the NickPixels 1010. So we're gonna try this again. I've already got the gasket and gasket material down and on everything. So it's gonna be a little tricky to show you all exactly what's going on, but because we're dealing with inside of the oil tank. So it's a bit tricky, and it's a small space. So I'm going to try my best. Gotta get this oil tank out of here. This is oh. Already having a little mishap again. Except for this is a different one. We lost all our innards to the pump. Now, to this pump, we had to replace this carbon piece here that does all the pumping. I'm sure there's a special name for it. All right. See if I can get this in the hole. There we go. All right, let's try this again now. I'm having a heck of a time with this one. We could try to do it upside down so we don't lose everything. So basically what I got to do is I got to get this in here. And there's a little pin on here that needs to go into the back hole while still lining everything up. Oh, we got it. We hit it. Alright, now I already put a little bit of Loctite on the bolt here. And that goes right through there. Feeds through the gasket. And into the hole. And it don't feel right. Yep, something's not kosher here, folks. This just might be a fail video. So the bolt don't want to go through the hole. I'll try going this way with it. There is a little bit of powder in here. So that might be our issue. So we might have to run a tap through this one. Yep. We're going to have to run a tap. Do a little bit of repair, so I'll be right back. Okay, now we're back. Alright, sorry about that, folks. Had to run a tap through there, clean it all out, get the shavings out of the way, all that good jazz. So yes, now we can try it again. I'm going to prep a little bit here, get our washer on there. Got a little Loctite on our bolt. Gasket's ready to go still. Had to get some more sealant on there. Alright, I'm going to try my best again. Get you a shot in here as I'm doing this. It's not easy. Yes, I know I moved you out of the angle a little bit. Alright. Alright. Now we got it. Uh-oh. That's not good. Lost the bolt in there. Okay. Try this again. Alright. It's in there. Nope. Not in there. Stud in the back is a little off. Missed the hole. Gotta get it in that hole. Alright, so I tightened that down pretty good. Hopefully that will do it. Hopefully that will do it. Shouldn't have any issues. Give it another turn. Yep. Okay, we're in there. Alright. So the stud comes up through here. And that little black dot you see. There, right here is the screw. And it's got a little bit of a sealant, which is okay. Actually, I think I'm going to leave it on there. And in where the stud screw is. So, yeah, had a little bit of an issue going on there. Had a tap and all that. So, there it is. Oop, I forgot you're at a different angle. So, that's how that goes in there. It's sometimes a little challenging. I should have plugged that hole when I powder coated it, and I didn't. And that's on me. Yep, shame on me. So, if I did go over the hole with powder coat, I should have tapped that hole before I started any of this. But, nevertheless, we got it done. So, little oopsies in there, but that's okay. We're okay. That rag is done. I gotta clean up my taps. Tap and die set here. Yeah. So, yeah, we had a little bit of an issue, but that's okay. If you ever see this is pretty cool. This is a ratchet tap here. So, you can, so when you put your tap in here, like this, right? Well, you have one where it's locked in, or you can switch it. Pretty cool, huh? So ratcheting, and then it reverses too. Oop, I lost my tap. That tap's about wore out. The end of it anyway. But yeah, this is a pretty cool tool. A little ratcheting ratchet, yeah, whatever you want to call it, T-handle. But I usually keep it in the middle most of the time, but this time I had to use the ratchet. I should have showed it, but I didn't know how well it was gonna go, so I apologize. Well, that will do that episode for the day, and yeah, I think we're just gonna let everything set right now and make sure our sealant is nice and cured. I'm going to go through and recheck all the bolts, and yep, that's that. Pretty soon we get the body put on and the top handle, the top part, and all that. You can assemble our gas tank on there and everything. So we're almost there, folks. We're cruising right along. All right, I hope you all doing good, doing well. I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to work on a few things that need to be done. So, all right. I hope you all have a good day, night, morning, whatever it is in your part of the world when this goes up. And yeah, so you all be good, be safe, be kind, and please spread the love. I'll see you on the next one. Let's do it.